Welcome back to our channel. I'm Vi and I'm so excited to share with you the incredible benefits of castor oil for your skin and hair. Whether you're looking to enhance your beauty routine or address specific concerns, castor oil might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Let's start with the skin. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic natural moisturizer. When applied to the skin, it helps lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. But wait, there's more. Castor oil also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and prevent breakouts. It's particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Here are some other amazing benefits of castor oil. Scar reduction. Castor oil contains fatty acids that can penetrate deep into the skin, helping to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. This can aid in reducing the appearance of scars over time. Anti-aging properties. The rich antioxidants in castor oil, such as vitamin E, can help fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Regular application of castor oil may help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Moisture barrier. Castor oil forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface, sealing in moisture and preventing dehydration. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or sensitive skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Skin cleansing. Castor oil has natural cleansing properties that can help remove dirt, impurities, and makeup from the skin without stripping away its natural oils. It's a gentle yet effective cleanser for all skin types. I personally use it as a skin cleanser about once or twice a week. I usually use another oil such as argan oil, and it works wonders at removing excess dirt, makeup, everything. Eyelash and eyebrow growth. Due to its nourishing properties, castor oil is often used to promote the growth of thicker, longer lashes and eyebrows. Applying a small amount of castor oil to the lashes and brows before bedtime can help strengthen and condition the hair follicles. I definitely need this in my life. Sunburn Relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help soothe sunburned skin and reduce redness and inflammation. Applying a thin layer of castor oil to sunburned areas can provide relief and aid in the healing process. I started using this just recently on my face, and it was much brighter when I woke up and looked in the mirror. I even had a healthy flush from improved circulation, which is great for increasing collagen production. Felt pretty good about myself, minus the Chewbacca hair I had going on. Speaking of hair, castor oil is known for its ability to promote hair growth and improve hair health. It's packed with nutrients that nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and encourage healthy hair growth. However, it's essential to note that castor oil is thick and viscous, which may make it challenging to apply directly to the hair. If you find it too thick, try mixing it with a lighter carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil to make it easier to spread. Simply combine equal parts castor oil and carrier oil in a bowl, mix well, and apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. You'll be amazed at the results. I just need to bathe in this stuff. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of castor oil for your skin and hair. While castor oil may not work for everyone, it has been shown to be effective for the majority of people who use it. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below on what's been working for you in your skincare journey. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful. Disclaimer: individual results may vary. Consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your skincare or hair care routine, especially if you have underlying skin or scalp conditions.